Okay, we are at a new park today out in Saratoga Springs. That's how you have to say it out here. Saratoga Springs. It's a giant train. Miles, is it a giant train?
I'm running the train!
So we're trying a new park today.
Yeah?
It's a very big train. In the summertime, they have train rides here.
Really?
There's an actual train that you can go on.
How do you know?
Because I can read.
Where? I want to do it.
I don't know where. Oh, there's a train right there.
Huh?
Train tracks are right over here. Look, where it says railroad crossing.
Oh yeah. That's so cool.
Looks like there's a little more snow than expected.
We're snacking in our shoes.
Well, that's good.
I saw snakes in a cave. I want to do that. Is it in the summer?
It's only in the summer. Yep.
Where's the train?
That's little train tracks.
Where's the train? It's a little train. Where's the train?
Well,
Must be a little
the train must be away somewhere.
Looks-
Or you've grown to be a giant, like Monsters versus Aliens. You must be Susan.
Rude. Emma, you go that way.
So what? Like when people say, "Ah, here comes Susan." Susan. Oh, I think I even scared myself. Are you hitchhiking on the train tracks? You're gonna be running for a while. Oh, where'd Bean go? Hey, dude.
It's their train track
Yeah.
over there. Can I go on it?
You can walk on the train tracks.
Where are they?
They're that way.
Can I go over here? Dad, come on then. Come on.
Okay, go.
Come on then. Up there.
I don't want to step on the train for fear of squishing. That's not where the train is. It's this way. Let's go find them. There's Emma. Are you trying to fall down?
Dada! Run on the train tracks before it comes!
Oh no, before the train comes.
Come on! Alright, get off! The train's coming! Over there! Guys! Go back to the park.
Comes with lightning. It's his favorite. Oh, hit a rock. Uh-oh. Did he crash?
Sure.
Is he okay?
Can't get the snow out of him.
That's okay. It'll melt. It's snow.
Let's go over
I want to go this way to the park.
there. Okay.
Okay.
You know I can't drive him on this sidewalk because he'll break.
Oh, okay.
Hold on.
How's the rock climbing coming? Hold on to what? Hold on to your face?
No.
Hold on to your ear? Oh, sure. Excuses, excuses. Oh, Emma's disappearing
Goodbye.
into the abyss. I don't think you can make it. I think you're gonna fall to your death. Your death-mise. What are you doing up there?
Dying.
You're dying? You don't look like you're dying.
There's water dripping from the roof.
Oh, then it's a real life exploration.
No.
Yeah, like you're really up in the mountains.
I am not in the mountains.
Climbing
I'm not even a foot above the ground.
to save your life and your family from certain death.
Ow!
Take that. Right in your crotchety crotch.
Look, I'm not using any hands.
Who are you talking?
Ow, it's getting on me. I put my hood on. It's getting on me. I'm gonna die.
You better hurry before that
Turn 9.
grizzly gets you. Don't you keep going around the corner
I'm stuck.
where there's more footholds. Or don't go around the corner. Oh.
I made it alive. Dad, come in here. There's snakes in here. Daddy, there's snakes.
What?
Ah, the box.
There's snakes?
Snakes.
Uh-oh.
Where? Ah, beetles. Snakes.
Whoa, that is a dangerous place.
Spiderwebs. Spiderwebs.
Spiders.
Daddy, devour it. We're all gonna die. Daddy, watch me climbing.
Okay.
My butt is wet.
Yeah, I believe it. Because there's snow around here and water dripping off the thing. Ooh, that's some good climbing.
These ladders are broken. Dad, what's that? Dad! This is in the Emma! Help me, Dad! I'm holding Emma!
Uh-oh. What's that?
Daddy, hold him!
Hold what? I don't want to hold lightning.
Emma, look!
Right.
Up and back in!
Uh-oh, he's going in the cave. The cave of wonders.
Look, a shell! A shell? Probably a bone. Just to tell you the truth.
Just to tell you the truth, expert Emma over here,
It's 11.
who can't even see what you're looking at, knows exactly what it is. It's probably a bone from like a bird or something. Like it was 5 years old and its name was Carl.
I just
And-
pulled my own hair.
And yeah, that's probably what it is. That sounds about right.
Oh, look, snake!
No, it's probably like a worm. Just a big worm, not a snake. Like a giant earthworm. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Right? Something like that.
Nope. I put on my freaking jacket. I went up there to grab my freaking jacket.
Probably not a jacket. It's more like a coat of layered material that helps keep you warm. Stuff like that.
A bug, Emma, look, a bug.
No, it's probably not a bug. It's probably just like a rock. You're probably just looking at a rock.
It's probably a bone, Eli.
Yeah, it's definitely a bone, Eli. Yeah, totally a bone.
Emma, look, a bug. Oh, that is a bug. It is a bug.
Oh, you confirmed it was a bug. Oh, wait, let's see. Yeah, that's definitely a bug.
Wow.
A boar beetle bores into your brain
What?
and eats your brain. Ah! Ah! Ha, ha. Scared at you.
Did I?
Ready, Miles, to see lightning shoot? Ready? Come out here.
Wait.
Mark,
Yeah.
get set. He's going to hit you. Go. Whoa! He's
Can you help me do it?
he's fast.
Dad, can you help me do it?
You gotta climb up.
I can.
Climb up right here.
Over there?
Can you climb up that?
No.
Let me hold Lightning.
My camera, please.
Okay. There you go. You can climb up there.
No!
No, he's doing it. Go, climb up.
Can you hold my camera, please?
Nope.
Rude.
It's got a bag and everything. There you go. Get on up there. If you fall down, I can't catch you. So you better land soft. Whoa!
My turn!
Okay, your turn. Whoa!
Lightning's turn again. My butt is freaking wet.
Yes, we got it. Miss accentuation of your bottom is wet. Thank you.
Eli, give me my camera. No. Hey! Hi, crispy lightning.
All right, show us Lightning's speed. I am speed.
I am not.
All right, let's see your speed.
Step down on your bum.
With crooked leg. Does this thing spin over here?
I think it does. It does. Spin me, Dad. No, not yet.
Okay, get up.
I can't. It's too high. Come here. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Okay, ready,
Wait.
set, go.
Wait. No. Wait.
Can't wait till it's summertime and it's not snowy anymore.
Okay, go. Okay,
Lame
do it.
snow.
Do it. I'm not moving.
Oh, looks like you're moving now. Ow. Get your hand out of my body. Ow.
Eli fell off. Let me get again. Again.
Again. Too bad we didn't bring our sleds. We could have slid down the little hill over there.
He's spinning, Pete. I'll hold your camera. Go.
Nope, you will not.
Oh. He's spinning.
Here we go. Emma's kicking off our ultimate Beastmaster game. Don't fall into the acid blood, the white acid blood. Nope, nope. This is real. I've changed it with my magic. Eli just ate it. It's gross. I will in a minute. Hold on. Okay, let's see if she can make it down and not fall into the blood. Yeah, it's acid blood. It's both.
A mouse! A mouse! It's a rat.
Oh no, it's not a mouse. Hold on. Expert Emma over here. It's a rat. It's not a mouse. Hey, are you going to make it down anytime soon? Come on. Find a foothold.
Daddy, look.
Hold on to the edge.
Beastmaster.
Hold on to the rope thing there below you. Make your way down.
Look from the
There you go.
Look from Beastmaster.
Gross, you're gonna die early now.
My turn.
No, it's not your turn yet. Emma's still going. Come on. That's one way to make your way down. All right.
Mommy.
All right, you're at the first section. You got 10 points.
Where's the ultimate beast thruster thing that you press?
Oh, there are no extra point thrusters. Each section is 10 points. You got to make it back up now. You're going to tire yourself out.
I see a lizard.
No, that's not a lizard. That's a Crocodius crotamortius.
What is that? You're gonna make me fall. My hands are hurting.
Oh, this is where it starts getting hard. She has 20 points.
Oh my hands. A lizard.
Okay, she's got to make it on through. This is the easy section.
It's so hard. I can't make it through. It's so hard.
Okay. Okay, there is a point thruster. I just made it up right now. You got to make it all the way down here and all the way back up. That's an extra 10 points. You can choose to do it or not do it. If you fall off, that's it.
Wait, fall off what?
Okay, she's going for the point thruster.
My foot.
All right, she got her 10 points. She's at 30 points now. Oh, that's not as slippery as I was hoping it was. Oh, it's still pretty rolly. There we go. Now the challenge is afoot. I hear you, bud. You gotta hold on, mister. Emma's doing her ultimate Beastmaster. Oh. And does she make it back up, folks? Oh, makes it back up with 30 points. Okay, each rock is 10 points. So if you make it to there, that's 40, and to the end is 50.
Right. 30.
30.
50, 60.
I'm not counting you standing on this rock as 10 points. Oh.
There's smoke here.
Oh, this is really adventurous now. Okay. What's she gonna do, folks?
Sit in snow.
The longer she sits, the colder she gets.
Can't do this.
Oh, I don't know about going backwards. Is she gonna take the risk and jump and catch herself? I don't know.
5, 4, 10, 9.
There's no countdown in Beastmaster.
Yeah?
No, it just keeps counting up. It's a timer.
How do I do this?
I don't know.
It's not meant for you to do this.
Come on, you gotta look around. You don't necessarily have to go that way.
Or I could just die in the blood.
Or you could have gone down the rock over here and then over. Oh, that's one way of doing it. All right. Okay, can she make it over, folks? Before she touches the blood.
This is her basement.
Ooh. Next is going to be making it up. How's she going to work that one out, ladies and gentlemen? This is where it gets consecutively harder as she makes it through each stage of the Beastmaster. She's got to make it up top for her extra 10 points. Okay, it's part of the game. There you go. There you go. There you go. She made it. Get down, other contestant. You're in the way. 40 points. Can she make it all the way to the end? Oh, this is a tough last part here. I don't know what she's thinking, folks. I'm not giving any more hints. Yes, you've said that several times.
My bum is soaked.
Do we rock climb backwards?
Here I come. Frostbite.
No, you won't.
I can't do it.
Oh. I don't know where she's going, folks. There you go. Grab the rope with your hands. Grab the rope with your hands.
I can't do it. You said no more hints.
Sorry.
I want to.
You're at 9 minutes, 22 seconds.
do it then.
You make it to the end. That's what the time you gotta beat, Eli. You look like a peacock with your flat spot.
Dada, can I do it?
Your flat hair sticking out. Okay. To the last push for 50 points.
Then we're gonna go home?
No, we're not going home yet. Hmm. Huh. Hmm.
I'm not Minecraft villager.
Huh. Huh. Oh, I can't see from this side. See what she's figuring out here. Ooh, it's a little tricky. There are footholds, but are there handholds?
No, there seems to be no.
Oh, did she find one? She's got to make it to the top, and the timer stops. All right, 10 minutes, 18 seconds. All right, ready, go. Eli is set for the Ultimate Beastmaster competition. 10 minutes, 18 seconds is what he's shooting for. He's at a slight disadvantage here because his height doesn't give him the reach for the rock climbing technical portion of our Beastmaster.
I'm trying my bum.
The key is not to rush too much. You don't want to make any foolish mistakes and fall into the acid blood.
Acid is burning.
Our fans in the background are screaming this random dad name over and over again. Oh, you're gonna have to wait some more. Oh, he's already made it. Okay, is he gonna go for the point thruster to get himself 30 points? All right, he's got 30 points.
Going so much faster than me.
I don't know. He did see you. That is a helpful advantage. Maybe he's just not as scared. Just let your bum aim at the sun. All right, 30 points. Here comes the tricky parts.
My tushkin.
Looks like he's blowing through this competition. We may have a new champion.
Hey! No!
Oh! Lucky, lucky. Don't go taking your eye off of things. You're gonna fall in the blood. Oh, can he make it up? For 40 points?
How?
Whoa, he blew right through that part. Okay, he's got 40 points. Where's he gonna go now, folks? Our other competitor doesn't like how well this young, new, upcoming competitor is beating this course. He must be like Lightning McQueen and you're the king or something like that. From Cars?
Like his friend.
Yeah, you guys are still friends. Oh, he's only at 2 minutes 40 seconds, folks. This is a new record. He's focused. Look at the determination on his face. Got to make it to the top. Just don't fall off or you lose all points. Oh, he did it in 3 minutes. Woo! That was fast. Yeah, you did. You don't have to climb to the top. You have to climb around. Gotta find finger holds. There's tons of footholds. There you go.
Stepping on the spider.
Yeah, step on the spider. Smash his brain.
That's rude.
There you go. If you can make it to the ropes, that's kind of a rest point. Will you push your brother real quick?
I'm not sure either.
Okay, gotta wait, buddy. I asked her to help. Oh, you almost went down. Yeah, you can climb up. However you want to get up and around is fine. You can climb up however you want.
Can I walk right here?
Yeah, you can walk across the top here, but you have to come back down and go over.
Cute little mouse.
Oh, I thought you said it was a rat before. Huh, Miss Expert? Okay, now you gotta come back, climb back down.
Right here?
Yeah,
So cute.
turn around. We climb backwards.
I wish I could take this mouse and take it home. My hands again.
Whoa. You gotta come down further. There you go. Oh, this is getting tough. Is the Beastmaster gonna claim his first? Ooh, this part's tricky. It's a little inverted.
What does that mean?
Means it goes slightly backwards.
Really?
Oh, you got a gap to bridge. What are you gonna do to get across the gap? Oh, he stretches it.
You gotta waste all your memory.
I can record for like 8 hours if I wanted to. This one records a lot longer than our last one.
Wait, where do I go next?
Keep going all the way around.
I got the bathroom. Oh, look, a frog! Hi, frog. Don't step on the frog. Don't step on the toad. It's a toad, Eli.
All right, got to figure out this next right. Can't grab the bars, only rocks.
The bars would be easy.
Right now you're at 2 minutes 50 seconds.
It says it on your camera, Dad.
I know.
Got this? So does mine. Mine's sitting on my camera.
Oh, are you grabbing bars? Get your hands down. No bars, no bars.
There's water. Cookie.
I'm adding 10 seconds to your time for the bar grabbing. Taking a little breather, a little rest. He's coming on.
Grab wood?
Nope, no wood. Coming on 4 minutes, folks. 4 minutes. Ooh, he almost took a slip. Oh, he's got to cross the ropes again. Don't fall over this again, other contestant. Oh, here we go. We're at 4.5 minutes. Ooh, tricky, tricky on the slippery slopes of slipdom.
Wait, did I go back here?
Yeah, come back around again. Oh, how's he gonna finish? Is he gonna finish strong here?
My thumb's wet, then.
Coming on almost 5 minutes. Sounds like a personal problem. Oh, we have our spectator yelling in the background again. Oh, he's so close. All right, he made it. 5 minutes, 10 seconds. 5 minutes, 10 seconds. All right. Go.
That part's slippery, Emma.
Yep. Oh, she's already out of the competition. Just like that, an upset. The Beastmaster claims it. Dun, dun, dun.
Can I try one more time?
Okay, we'll try again, but you have a 30-second deficit.
What does that mean?
Means you're penalized 30 seconds. Go. We're redoing it. She's got 30-second deficit, Eli.
I thought I was falling
Oh,
out.
no! Just like that, out again. Oh, man. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, just like that, he says. Oh, man. Beastmaster's just crushing this little girl. Get your fingers in there. Come on. Oh.
It's my turn.
Emma's back on the Beastmaster. She's fallen off 5 times now. But she wants to prove she can do it. Even though she's taking the easiest route possible, holding on to the top. What?
You can't hold on to anything except rocks. I'm holding on to rocks.
Man, she's real high now. How's she going to make this next part?
I did it on my first try.
Oh, what you doing over there?
I did it on my first try.
Right, sure. Are you on the rock? You getting your bum wet? Yeah.
Eli, stop.
Ah, you had your shot. You already won, Eli. Now Emma's thinking through her next plan. What's she gonna do now?
I need my jacket.
Oh, well, I didn't think that was part of the game. All right, the time is counting. Oh, she's just passing through that whole part, just like that.
Everything's wet.
Oh, is she gonna go in again, folks?
What's this? What's this?
Whoa,
What's this?
I see you.
Oh, over here. Dad, what's here? Dad, take your picture of here.
Okay, go.
Ah! Dad.
I got you both. Oh, Emma's taking the high route.
Emma can't touch any bars or wood. I know that.
What is she doing up there, folks?
I want to see stuff. That we see.
If she falls, it's 100 feet to her death.
I wish it was water. That was amazing.
That would be fun.
Emma, you can't. Eli, go.
What's she gonna do to bridge the gap?
I'm at that stamp. I'm at help me.
Go to the other stump.
This one?
No, the one next to it.
That one?
Yeah. There you go.
Just water drop.
Yeah, you did it. Good job.
Dad, what's this?
Oh, she's making it around to the other side. She's through the dripping saliva of the beast. Oh, can she handle it?
Some guys, my fingers are numb.
Uh-oh. She's getting frostbite on her fingers. We're going to have to cut them off.
Caterpillar!
Oh, we hear the faint whines and complaints as this contestant makes it through. I need a break, guys. My phalanges are cold. They're so chilly. Could I get a hot pack? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, oh! In the blood again! It's been a rough day for this competitor from the United States.
What competitor am I from?
You each have won. You're both from the United States. You could be from Ukraine, because you're Ukrainian. Yay, I'm being pushed. The swing doesn't fit my body. See, I can't buckle it. I'm too massive. How you doing back there? Smallish mailman? What? I can't understand you. Okay, get in there. Why not?